What's up, crypto guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete guide on how you can create, verify, and secure your Coinbase account. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated with any video that we upload on this channel. To follow along with me in this video, please click the first link in the description to get $10 worth of Bitcoin when you purchase at least $100 of Bitcoin within 180 days. So it is an affiliate link. So when you do that, you get all the bonuses. Another bonus that you'll get, some less trading fee when you use the link in the description. So make sure that you use the link in the description to get all the bonuses. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing that you are going to do here, when you click the link in the description below, it will take you to this page, and in this page you click the button here, get started. So when you click that button, it will take you to this page where you'll put your first name, your last name, your email, and then your password, and then you click this link here and then you verify. So you make sure that you put a password. So you put your name, your email that you're going to use, and your password, and then you click create a free account, and then it will verify your email, and then it will send you an email so that you can click the email that you've sent, Coinbase has sent you, so that you can verify your email. Yeah, after verifying your account, when you click the link from your email, it will take you to this page where Coinbase will have now verified your account, and now you're going to enter your country here and your phone number to set up the two-step verification. So I'm just going to do mine. I'll bly out and I'll go to the next available page, and after putting your country and your phone number, you send the code. The code will actually be sent to your phone, and I'm going to verify mine here. And then you click the submit button here. You can link up your card. You click the link card, and then you put the name of your bank card here. The name of your card, the card number, the expiration date, the CVC, and the postal code, and then you'll click the add card so that your card will be added. After adding all the details of your card, then you click the link, the button here that says add card. It will process, just give it a minute. And then now you can, and then this page will come in. It says that transfer your crypto. So would you like to transfer crypto to Coinbase? Protect your crypto, transferring them from another exchange wallet. If you do not want to send any crypto to Coinbase, then you click skip now, and then your account will be set. As you can see here, my account has already been set, and it will tell you that now this is your account. You are almost there. Fund your account. You see now Coinbase wants you to start trading immediately, but if you don't want to start trading immediately, you can do it later on. But this is now your dashboard. You can check your dashboard here. You can just study it and also get how to know, but I'm also going to show you step by step on how you can find things on your dashboard and everything that you'll do here so that you don't get lost. So if you follow this series of videos, then I'm going to show you how you can do it on autopilot. So now we are going to verify our account, and these are the personal details that you're going to put here. This is your legal name, the date of birth, your country here is the security. So this is what we want here. So you can also change your password here. You can put your old password and your change password here. But now we are going to set up the two-factor authentication. We had already set a text message, but now we are we see here, it's moderately secure. So the text message is not secure, it's moderately. So what happens is, if somebody does a SIM swap on your account, maybe swap your SIM, then they would have your password and the text message. But this is another authenticator. This you can install Google Authenticator on your phone, and I'll also show you how you can set it. I'm going to show you how you can set this up. So you just click the select button, and if you have an iPhone or Android, you just go to your App Store and then find the Google Authenticator. And when you find the Google Authenticator, you select the Google Authenticator, and then you set up the two-step verification. So I'll show you how you can do that on the next video. So you just follow along, and I'll show you step by step on baby steps so that you don't get confused. So I'll just take you step by step so that you don't get confused on how you can do anything here on Coinbase. So if you're new to this channel, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can follow along with me to set up your Coinbase account, and also how you will trade on Coinbase. Click the link in the click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that will bring about Coinbase. See you on the next lecture.